why the Aryaputra of a much higher rank is placed precisely in the southern part of the empire. The possible reason is that this area has yielded the maximum number of Ashoka's inscription, and this area is also noted for its mineral resources. Among other mineral resources, gold. The Mauryan emperors could have been interested in extracting mineral resources from this peripheral region to the enhancement of their own metropolitan area, that is Magadha, and therefore possibly placed an Aryaputra of a much higher rank than a Kumara at this place. But a perusal of the Ashoka's inscriptions may indicate that the Kumara stationed in Kalinga possibly enjoyed lesser power than the two counterparts stationed respectively at Ujjaini and at Taxila. Once again, the accommodation of diversities, accommodation of regional differences loom large in this image. Long ago, D.R. Vandarkar indicated that the provincial governors or authorities at Ujjaini and Taxila were almost autonomous and paid only nominal allegiance to the Mauryan authority. The Mauryan regional units of administration, which can be considered like the major provinces, had further smaller units of administration, Janapada and Ahara. These two terms may correspond to what nowadays we call districts. Below the districts, there will be obviously villages, either cluster of villages or individual villages. Over the districts, Ashoka appointed Rajukas, who figure very prominently in Ashoka's inscriptions. The Rajukas could also combine the function of a revenue settlement officer in addition to their duty of locality level administration of justice. Ashoka reposed his great trust and faith on the Rajukas. In the Kautilian scheme of things, the regional administration has several tiers. The highest tier is called Sthaniya, consisting of 800 villages. Then comes Dranamukha, which has 400 villages, and therefore in descending orders a number of other tiers, ultimately coming to a cluster of 10 villages. What is interesting is that the Mauryan administration, particularly during the time of Ashoka, we find how there was a regular network of communication from the apex tier of administration to the locality level or the district level of administration. This is something very interesting. And there is once again a considerable allowance of the local factor to be accommodated in the terms of local level administration.